What's up, guys? We out here back at Metcalf this hot ass Saturday morning. Fucking super hot already, and it's barely like probably 9:30. So we're gonna hit up some single trails out here for a bit. You know, I'm gonna try to connect all these single trails. You can probably get them all flowing. I'm gonna see if I can do that right now. Yeah, get some riding in the AM. Fucking go, get home, take a shower, and get ready for some motocross. So let's do this shit. Single trails. Woo! Haven't been down here in a while. Shit's fucking overgrown. Oh, that think are easy. You never know what the fuck's gonna be down this bitch, especially if you haven't went first time in a while. I love the way this girl sounds. She's always singing the right song. Oh, something hit me in the fucking foot. Alright. So yeah, last weekend was nothing but track. They had open practice. I was fucking railing. You know what I mean? Like I said, I like to mix it up. Track, trails. Oh! So yeah, last weekend was that. Pretty sure you guys seen all the damn vids I uploaded. Probably pretty boring. Probably getting pretty bored of laps after laps of vids. So here we go with some trail riding. So that's the end of that one. And then you turn right here. You're gonna connect with this one. Yeah. Might be down in air pressure in the back for this kind of shit. Yeah, so I wanna, you know, holler at you guys. Tell you guys I appreciate all the comments and the likes and the views. Really enjoy riding out here and over there and anywhere. And then to post up a video and then fucking have you guys say, oh, awesome vid, and you know, fucking feels pretty good. I don't know, some people might think, it's just fucking social media, whatever, YouTube. But it's like taking you guys on my journey. And you guys seem to like it, so I think it's pretty awesome. Oh, and yeah, I just hit 100 subscribers. Yeehaw! Maybe not, it don't sound that much, but fuck. Pretty legitness to me, so I appreciate all the subscriptions. And all the people that shared and liked my videos and commented. Appreciate that. And more to come. Now it's red sticker season, and which means for those of you that don't know and probably get to ride year round, no matter what bike you got, that basically means the BLM or whatever the fuck, I'm not sure, they stop certain bikes from riding a year. Oh, come on, baby. Yeah. So like half you can ride 6 months out of the year and 6 months not, or some shit. I don't know, because I got a green sticker bike. That shit don't affect me. I just be riding. Alright, so we're gonna connect onto here. So yeah, I just ride all year round. This baby never sits in the fucking garage longer than a week, 5 days, unless, you know, I got something on my back, my neck fucking hurting. Unless, you know, supercross, motocross, like was a few weeks ago I went. And maybe birthday parties or shit like that, but other than that, she don't stay in the garage long. So yeah, for all those red stickers out there, I'm sorry, man. Actually, I'm not. I don't know, I feel for you guys, but I mean, yeah, you guys chose to get a red sticker bike, so you got to deal with the consequences. I mean, you guys can always go hit up tracks. Yeah, now we're on to this one. I don't know the fucking name of it, I forget. Yeah, so back to what I was saying. I feel sorry for you guys, really, I do. Nah, yeah, I do. Anyways, so it looks like it's just me for a while. Me and my little green sticker bike. We're gonna be railing. I ordered my my Y-Scope Pro Light piston kit yesterday. But I've been beating on this girl. And it's gonna be getting hot, so oh, it's already hot today. So I don't wanna, you know, put all this heat on an old piston. She got probably about, she's running like 60 hours right now probably. And that's 60 hours too long for me. Shit, for 180 bucks, you get a new piston, freshen her up. I'd rather do that than have that piston grenade in my cylinder, and then we're fucking like, we're upwards about 12 grand. I mean 1200, my bad. About 1200 bucks, new cylinder, top end, all that shit. It's hot as fuck right now, right? Oh, fucking hella hot, actually. I'm sweating my ass off. I can feel it probably about to drip in my eyes. And yet I still feel strong. Alright, let's go right here. Haven't been down here in a while, so we'll take her easy. Throw her in second. Fucking lug it around. Oh! Oh! Yeah! Woo! a nice turn. And that's it. There's some other ones over there, but yeah, water. Very good. But we'll take her easy right now. First ride out. So we'll go let her cool off. And yeah, so thanks guys for the 100 subscriptions, whatever the fuck. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, subscribe. And if you loved it a lot, share it with a homie. Peace.